the left engine case. I had it sandblasted, used VHT Primer, 3 layers of the VHT paint 995 Alucast. When the painting was done, I baked it off in the oven for 90 degrees Celsius for about an hour. I got it all like rinsed out and packed it in plastic to keep it clean. I'm happy with the result. This needle bearing right here was the only bearing I left in place. Put the case in the oven to let it heat up at 90 degrees Celsius. Put the bearing in with the letters facing upwards. Needle bearing housing comes as a set. Remove the needle bearing and place the housing in the left crankcase. This part is called the guide of the clutch push rod. If you didn't have it in your engine, don't bother getting one. 80% of the crankcases I looked up on the internet didn't have one. I placed one, but got it out because I was afraid it was blocking the oil jet above the transmission. Temperature difference makes it so easy to install the bearings. They just slide it right in. Here goes the bearing plate. I got the crankcase rebuilt with a new Prox con rod. Make sure you protect the con rod from damaging while placing it into the engine cases. Here goes the left crankcase bearing. I found an alternative from Koyo. Make sure it has the C3 marking, so it means it has more play for expanding under heat. Let the crankcase cool down in the freezer to let it shrink. When you install the balancer, make sure the markers on the balancer gear and the crankshaft gear align. I had to make an offset while placing the balancer in the crankcase. And also had a 5 tooths or something, and then it fitted. For the seals I used 2 rings to just squeeze them in gently. Okay, this was it for the left crankcase. If you had any trouble with bearings that were loose in the left crankcase, you can apply Loctite 648 or 620. The next video I'll install the bearings into the right crankcase. Okay, thanks for watching.